There's Chicago. Okay, 51H, stay right here.
Man, he almost sideswiped that freaking car.
Oh my gosh. West suburb. Okay, we left our place in Indiana and we're headed to Wisconsin. And we looked at the map and we could have drove around Chicago and Milwaukee and stuff, but it was going to take us an extra like 2 to 3 hours to do that. And it's already going to be like a 6-hour day. So I put in to avoid the tolls. Well, to avoid the tolls is taking us like right through Chicago. There's Chicago right there. Plus we have to go through Milwaukee too. And Jeff just said, he's like, I don't know if this is worth it. We probably should have drove around. And I'm thinking that he's probably right. Because now we're in a traffic jam.
Yeah, it's not just the traffic jam. It's like, it's got it zigzagging all over on different freeways.
Yes.
You know, we went through a little under a overpass there that was 13, what was it?
1310, and we're 13.6.
Yeah, we're 13.6.
So Nima held her breath on that one.
Welcome.
All that stuff.
You know, when you're doing 55, 60 miles an hour,
And you bounce.
got 4 inches of clearance supposedly. Hopefully they give you a little more.
And these roads are not good.
Take exit 51H on the right to I-290 West.
Of course,
And somehow we have to get over to take the exit in a mile. Okay, this is very nerve-wracking for me. And I know I'm not even driving, and I know that it's very nerve-wracking for Jeff. And I try to help him out as much as I can. Wow. I don't know what we were thinking.
I know what I was thinking. I had it all set up to go around. Nima's like, that's a long day, it's a long day. Finally, I gave in.
That's true. That's a true fact. But alrighty, we just crossed over into the Wisconsin border. We are now in the land of the cheese. And
we're gonna get cheese and beer for sure.
yeah, so we just are stopped at the, I don't know, rest area, visitor center type of a thing, and got some tour information from the guy. And so there's wine tours and wine and cheese tours and cheese tours and beer and cheese tours, and pretty much everything involves cheese. So we're gonna have to try to check it out.
Definitely.
Wasn't on the plan, but well, getting cheese was here. Jeff tried some Wisconsin beer back when we were in Oregon. We ran into some Wisconsin people and they gave him some spotted cow, so he's tried it already.
I might have to bootleg a case or two.
So yeah, what did he say about that?
Apparently they can't sell it out of state.
The microbrewers.
Microbrew, which I don't know if spotted cow's a microbrew, but I haven't seen it anywhere else.
We haven't seen it because we looked for it because you liked it.
So I'm almost thinking that maybe it is.
Yeah, so we'll see. Well, we made it to Wisconsin and got parked, had some dinner, and came outside to ride our bikes, and we have water going everywhere that's not supposed to be going places. What's leaking, baby?
I don't know yet.
Could it be the
I
hose?
think just the hose maybe. Hopefully that's all it is. Hopefully the hose just broke.
It's just the hose.
Just the
Look at
hose.
that.
The hose is split. Okay, nice. Well, we had that happen not long ago.
Our hose broke.
And we bought a new hose, so we have an extra hose, but now we need to pick up.
Anyway.
We'll pick up another hose while we're.
Okay, we'll pick up another hose. So we are at Thousand Trails Plymouth Rock in Plymouth, Wisconsin. And like I said before, we're about an hour away from Green Bay and an hour away from Milwaukee. We're in between the two. And if you guys are race fans like us, Road America is literally across the street. When we pulled in, there was, what do you think was over there? Dirt bikes or something?
No.
Or not dirt bikes, but sports cars were on the track and we could hear them. So it was pretty cool. So on Mondays and Wednesdays, they have 4-mile bike or walk or run. So you can go on the track and you can ride your bikes or walk or run or whatever you want to do on the track. So we're going to do that on Monday or Wednesday because we're here during the week. So that's pretty fun. But I just wanted to let you know that we made it to Wisconsin. We got through Chicago safely and we're still in one piece and Jeff's not yelling at me anymore.
Yeah, I never stopped talking to you, so.
Yeah, he's still talking to me. So anyway, we will see what we can get into, kind of trouble we can get into in Wisconsin. That capsized off the shore in a fierce gale on April 9th, 1894. And she was recovered September 1st, 1992, when they started construction of the marina. It's 89 feet long. It was constructed in 1876, and it was named after one of the daughters of the original owners. And the vessel was 131 feet long, 27 feet wide, and 9 feet in depth. And it measured 150 gross tons.
Huh.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, Lake Michigan right behind us.
Lake Michigan.
It
kind of looks like the ocean. This lake is so big.
Yeah.
Like Michigan is over there somewhere.
Somewheres.
And you can't see it.
All right, let's go check out the water.
Do you think it's cold?
I don't know if it's probably not cold right here on this beach, but I bet you get out there just a little bit.
Yeah,
I bet you get
they had a
quick.
riptide warning back there at the sign, so it's kind of scary. I didn't fall in.
What do you got there?
That's kind of yummy. I'll try yours. I like mine better.
This one's like very syrupy. This one a little bit. This is, I don't know, both.
It's got that salted caramel taste. What'd you get?
It's a cheesy tomato. What they call it? Cheesy tomato.
It was creamy grilled cheese tomato.
It's kind of that way. It's like all mixed up in one thing, but it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I got some macaroni and cheese. It is pretty good. Very, very hot, but it's pretty good. We had to try some Wisconsin cheese.
Cedar Valley Cheese Company? Yeah, cheese store.
Cheese store.
Yeah.
It's good. We're gonna look at some cheese later after we're done eating. So we just left Cedar Valley cheese store, and we got some goodies. We got some Asiago, Romano, and Parmesan cheese for our chicken salads that we're gonna have this week. oh no, did somebody hit our truck, you know? What's wrong? And we're like, yeah, it's us. And he's like, oh, yeah, I'm from Washington too. And we're like, oh, cool. He's like, you came a long way for the string cheese. So we didn't know anything about the string cheese. So obviously we got string cheese too.
It's, fresh daily
string cheese.
String cheese.
Yeah.
Supposedly they're known for their string cheese.
It's pretty good. We had a little bit of it. So, but that was our adventure to the cheese store.
Yeah,
now we have to go back to the trailer and put it in the fridge before we do anything else.
All right. We are about to get on the racetrack at Road America.
On our bikes.
On our bikes. We're camped about a half mile just behind us here. We can hear cars all day long. I think they had sports car tire testing today. You can hear them all day long though, and there's a few vantage points from not within the racetrack where you could see the cars going by and stuff. Very cool. So being we're race enthusiasts, we are excited to make a couple laps here.
Yeah. And
just tour the grounds. I mean, I guess we kind of have free range as far as just touring the grounds and riding the track. $5 a person, and they call it 4 Mile Fitness.
Yep. And right there's the start-finish line.
Right behind us. Let's do it.
Let's go. Let's get
yeah,
on
well.
it. I'm beating you this time. Don't you touch my tire.
I'm not. I wouldn't make you wreck.
That would not be nice.
You might wreck yourself. That's a possibility.
Better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Yeah. What do you think?
This is so cool. That's what I think.
You want to race?
No, I don't, because you'll win.
Why? You'll probably wreck me. I know how you drive.
If I wreck you, I'm gonna wreck myself. How was your lap?
My lap was amazing.
That was pretty spectacular, if I do say so myself. It's pretty gnarly. Oh, here come some bikers. Here's some road bikers. Way better than I am. Gonna pass us. Second time that guy's passed us. Where are we at, baby?
Road America, Winner's Circle.
Victory Lane.
Victory Lane.
Yeah, baby.
Not so bad.
What was that?
It's not so bad.
It's not so bad?
Yeah.
We're in Winner's Circle with our bikes.
We just don't get the big check.
No.